chikahan lang with Maxine. I know that some of you asked questions about the change of nationality, no? But I hope that it's going to be
downplayed.
She wants to be in a celebratory mood, and she wants to move on, and if possible, we do not write about it anymore. Okay, go to your question. Well, we're lucky that we have 3 girls, and all of them have been achievers since they were young. Like she said, we encourage them to excel academically, and we also encourage them to choose a musical instrument and a sport. And we told them at a very young age, if you choose something, always do your best in whatever endeavor that you choose. So I think that is what I always tell other parents. You encourage your children and tell them that it's okay to fail, and that we support them all the way, because I think for very young children, the most important thing is they feel that their parents are behind them and are proud of them no matter what the results are. So we have always been behind her, despite all the challenges. Sinabi nga niya, she underwent 3 major surgeries during her career as a fencer. And even during the time when she was in college, and management engineering was a very difficult subject. And everyone is saying na suicide nga daw yun na she took up ME, because it's really hard to get in, and it's even harder to graduate with that degree, because pilit-pilit talaga yung nag-graduate ng ME. And she was able to graduate with a regular batch, despite her very difficult schedule. Yun lang naman, we just support her in all her needs, and we just tell her that we're very proud of her, whatever the results are. So yeah, we're proud of her.
Dad, the shopping
Yung agota niya.
Well, yung nasa rin ko is
Mahihain. So, si Alvin, may gusto sabihin.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm the uncle to my wife, Maxine. Before I already met si Ambet, siguro 25 years ago. Dati ginaaway kami na sa basketball, pero naging good friends kami. So, the reason I became involved si Maxine is because before, wala silang voice sa sports, no? Hindi sila heard. Pero the reason I volunteered si Maxine because around 2005, when my son had his first birthday party, there was a game, Bring Me game. Si Maxine was, I think, 4 or 5 years old. During that Bring Me segment na game, ang sabi ng host, bring me your dad. Si Malvin noon wasn't there. So she had to improvise. So doon pa lang at her young age, nakikita mo na siya ng go-getter. So that inspired me.
Who was the dad?
To help the family. Kasi nakita ko ng go-getter siya at that age. Tapos, marami siyang pinagdaanan na yung injuries na, hardship in school, sa problems sa Messi na. So, I really volunteered nothing in return, just your love for the sport, your love for the family, your love for her.
Thank you, Angel. Ako may makakabal na din question kasi aside from your family, mga support na ganyan, saan ka pa humuhugot ng lakas to go with your dream o fulfill mo yan? Are you a religious person or what?
Like, lahat ng nangyayari sa akin, if it's like, if I win or if I lose, my parents will feel double of it. So, I just do everything for them. And yeah, like what they said, they really love me and I really love them as well. So, everything that I do is really for them. I want to make them proud and I want to make the Philippines proud as well.
May pahabol si Chan.
Of course, there have been several articles written about you online. And as far as what I've seen, napaka-positive din ng feedback regarding the news that was published about you. What would you say to the people na parang, there are ordinary people, but they sternly support you? As regular Filipinos, they still support you. What would you say to that?
I'm very thankful to everyone who supported me. Like, super thank you talaga because, it's already hard that you were removed from the national team. And I think it will be harder if the people don't see the truth as well. But I really appreciate it that people still support me even if I had to change nationality. And I'm really grateful. And I hope that you can continue supporting me, not just me, but also all the Filipino athletes who are going to the Olympics.
Alright, thank you so much.
Sa Marky, Jo, Leia, meron pa sila.
Hello, ask ko lang, what's with fencing that made you passionate about it? Kasi after nung surgery and issues, nandito ka pa rin.
Well, I really love fencing. Like, when the time I started, I liked it because it taught me how to have the grace of a woman and the strength of a man. And I started fencing because I saw it in a movie called Parent Trap. And I found it like super cool. Like, yeah, it was really cool and the outfit was so nice. But in the process of it, I really love fencing because in fencing you have to think a lot. Like, it's not just speed. Like, you have to know the distance and the time, like when to attack, when to be defensive. So that's what I like about it. Like, you have to think about every single move. Every single move has to be a calculated move, and it's like physical chess. Like, yeah, you have to think of every move.
How ready are you now for the Olympics?
Well, I'm training, still continuing training every single day. So hopefully, when it's time to compete in the Olympics, I will be 100% ready.
Yes.
Thank you.
Galing naman talaga. Kapatid Dalian, would you like to ask a question for Maxine? Dalian Carvajal.
Hi Maxine. Para maiba lang, are you familiar with our local actors?
Sorry?
Are you familiar with the local actors in showbiz here?
Actors?
No.
Actors.
Oh, actors! Yeah, yes.
So, do you have any favorite or crushes? Or favorite movie?
I really like Marian Rivera. And before, I used to collect lahat ng DVD ng Marimar and Jezebel and ng Darna. Like, I have all the episodes.
Have you met her?
Yeah, I met her in the premiere night of Desperadas. Yeah.
Then what did you tell her?
I said, kayo ba talaga ni Ding Dong Dantes?
So long time ago. Ding Dong, like.
No, I mean, they weren't together at the time yet, but I was like,
So your favorite is Maria? Among the guys, who's your favorite?
among the what?
The guys.
Oh, the guys. Maybe Daniel Padilla.
Oh, he's single now. Now what if he courts?
No, only the
Only the men. No plans of joining showbiz. after your fencing career?
No, because I'm really bad at acting.
Good at fencing. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dali. Nakita ko si Jojo